Yappy here. I needed an oatmeal fix, but I wanted something different. I like oatmeal, but it does get a little bit boring. You just eat steel cut oats and a banana and some cinnamon every day. So I decided to do some research. I found many recipes on YouTube. Baked oatmeal, right here. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave comments if you want to. Tell us what you'd like to see. I am just sharing my videos at the RV homestead that I use all the time, that I found on YouTube from a lot of great YouTubers. And this one, a lot of people have this recipe. So I'm not going to point out who they are. You can pretty much put baked oatmeal in the search engine and you will find amazing things. Real simple recipe. First, you need a bowl. Rolled oats. Don't use instant, use the rolled. 2 and about a half cups of rolled oats. Put them in the container. Then you need some kind of liquid. You can use any kind of milk. I happen to use unsweetened plant-based milk, soy here. You can use almond, you can use oat milk, whatever you like, dairy, whatever you like. Then you need an oil, about 1/4 cup. I'd use applesauce. It's healthier for you, and you don't need all that oil in your food anyway. We're trying to make it healthy, but if you wanted to put some butter in it, you could instead. Don't do that. Just use applesauce. You don't need it. A banana is great for some of the you can use any kind of fruit, honestly. Bananas just are great to put in all kinds of things, especially oatmeal. A little bit of vanilla. I use extra. It calls for like a tablespoon. I put a little bit more. A little bit of baking soda, about a teaspoon. Again, this recipe is forgiving. The key here is this makes it fluffier. And cinnamon. I didn't bring my big container cinnamon. You stir it up. Oh, and you need your egg. Get your egg out. You can either use an egg. I use flax egg. I'm not 100% vegan. I try to be a lot vegan that I can. Just a tablespoon of flaxseed ground up with 2 tablespoons of water. Let it sit, kind of gels up, and it makes an egg. So either way, you put it in a container. Very simple. Stir it up. I use parchment paper. Line it because I like it clean. Lay it 350 in the oven. Probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes till it gets nice and crispy on top. Pull it out, let it cool. That's it. It's simple. This recipe is so forgiving. If you forget some of this, it'll be okay. I mean, really, you could put any kind of other items in here. You could put berries in here. You could put peanut butter in here. So it's a very forgiving recipe, and I really like it. It also freezes well. So I cut it up, and then I freeze it. So when I need my oatmeal, throw it in the oven for 15, 20 minutes, and I'm done. I just wanted to share that, and it's one that we like, and it's good for us. Hope that helps and you enjoy it. Have a great week. See y'all soon.